PMSA is the leading and largest manufacturer and supplier in Africa of a complete range of concrete equipment including brick, block and paving making machinery and technology. The company specializes in a comprehensive range of brick and block making machinery, from startup to large-scale plants such as the RE1400 with associated plant equipment. The largest brick and block making machine manufactured by PMSA is the RE1400. It features a production board size of up to 1400 x 950 mm, while the RE1400 Lite has a board size of 1400 x 840 mm. Plants can be designed for either wood or steel production boards. The RE1400 boasts a production capacity of up to 165,000 bricks per 9-hour production shift. And the plants are available with a range of configurations for batching, wet and dry side product and production board handling, all with full automation capabilities depending on the client's requirements. To manufacture concrete products on a large industrial scale, materials first need to be weighed off before being loaded into the pan mixer. Two options are available: the bulkhead and boom scraper, as well as the aggregates bin and weigh belt system, which is a robust, low-maintenance system where aggregate materials are loaded by a front-end loader into individual bulk bins. The discharge mechanism from the bin onto the weigh belt is either an extractor conveyor for finer aggregates or a pneumatic discharge gate for coarse aggregates, which portion the aggregates onto the weigh belt. Any moisture in the aggregate is compensated for through the use of a Ludwig microwave moisture measurement probe. After weighing, the combined aggregates are fed into loader skips and hoisted up for discharge into the pan mixer, which is typically a 1500 to 2000 litre mixer. The cement, stored in bulk of 100-ton silos, is drawn into the cement scale from the silo using cement screws, where it is weighed and discharged into the mixer. Lastly, water is measured off through an automated water meter. After thorough mixing, the finished concrete mix is discharged into travel bins and transported across to the RE1400 block making machine. The feeder box fills the concrete mix into the mold box. The pneumatic mold clamping, proportional hydraulic control and high tamper weight highly compacts the concrete mix in the mold box. The RE1400 comes standard with linear transducers and servo-proportional hydraulic valves with high-performance hydraulic operation for closed-loop control. 2 or 4 7.5 kilowatt shaft vibrators allow for vertical directional vibration, while the variable speed drive gives you frequency control. The molds on the RE1400 can swiftly and effortlessly be changed using the molding changing arm to ensure speedy turnaround times when switching between the manufacture of hollow blocks, pavers, retaining wall and decking blocks, concrete curbstones and building bricks. While the machine is in operation, machine parameters can be changed using a touchscreen interface on the control desk. This allows instant adaptation to changing moisture content and aggregate consistency without ever having to stop your production. Newly formed wet product on the production boards can be pre-sprayed with a fine mist to add some additional surface water to the products if required. The plant is available with fully automated pallet and product handling. The wet product on the production board is stacked up in the stacker. Once a full set of production boards have been accumulated, the finger and transfer car transfers them into the curing tracks and chamber. All finger and transfer cars can either be fully automated or manually operated. PMSA supplies a full range of racking and curing solutions. After initial curing is complete, the product is removed from the racking system and taken to the destacker. Here the block pusher is used to push the product together and center it accurately on the board. Brick or pavers are then packed and stacked using the packer head, which automatically stacks the dry products from the pallets on the slack conveyor, ready for strapping. Strapping can be manual or fully automated depending on the client's requirements. Manual strapping by hand is facilitated by a slat conveyor, which has open slats allowing for easy feeding of the strapping material. The slat conveyor then moves the finish packs to the outside area, where the forklift fitted with a grab can easily lift it. After the packhead, the empty production board or pallet is then moved along by chain conveyors, cleaned with a rotary brush, sprayed to keep the moisture on the contents of the board stable, and turned over to get even use on both sides of the board. The production boards can be stacked by a swing arm with vacuum pad or sent straight to the RE1400 machine for immediate reuse. All the RE1400 plants require a control room where the central control of all equipment and necessary machine parameters can be monitored via supervisory control and data acquisition or SCADA system. This provides visual animated graphics of a machine and plant operation. Machine parameter control and data capture can be installed, which allows for remote control of the plant, in addition to retaining historic and daily data and information for management of the plant. Located directly above the control room is the advanced electronic and electric control panels of the plant. All the electronic and electric control panels supplied by PMSA are designed and manufactured in-house by PMSA. PMSA has a business philosophy of built to last. This is a customer-centric approach to business where the customer is assured of equipment that is designed and built to last for decades. We consistently invest in the latest business processes and best-in-class engineering machinery, people and systems to make sure PMSA business is built to last.